In this video, I'll talk about how you can make money on eToro. Now you can buy and sell stocks yourself to make money. However, a really popular feature on eToro is the copy trader. Now how this works is you want to go to the copy trader and you can find an investor. And in here you'll be able to see the return for the last 2 years, so 24 months. So let's say you want to do this guy. This guy is really well returned. So if you click on him, and you'll be able to see his returns right here. So let's say you want to do this guy. Then you can simply copy this guy and you'll be able to copy his trades. So if you find a really good investor and you copy his trades, when he makes money, you're also going to make money. So that is probably the best one. Now keep in mind they have this risk score right here. So you can see the higher it is, the higher the risk. So this guy's right in the middle. So you need to be careful if they have a high risk score. You also need to accept that there is a higher risk that you're gonna lose some money. But you can also come back to the copy trader and you can look around. You can go to stocks, crypto, whichever one you want to trade. So let's say you want to do commodities. In here, you'll be able to see the market for commodities. And let's say you want to do sugar. You can see how the sugar market is right now. And you can see all of the other stuff here. But like I said, if you want to do the copy trading, come in here, view all, and just find the one that you want to do. So you can see the return right here. And the guy we just saw has the highest return in this period. So that is how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.